Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Where are we going next? We're continuing on our Barcelo Resort series here, and we've got a room tour here for you at the Barcelo Maya Beach. This is a superior room we're going to take a little tour through. It's the lowest category of room here, but we also have another video of a suite if you want to take a look at that video on our channel as well. So we're going to start, as we always do, just sort of at the front of the room as you would walk in. So we have some darker colored woods, which makes it a little bit darker in here, but there's lots of light to kind of brighten things up. Just off to the right side, we have a big closet, lots of storage as you can see up here. We have an iron and an ironing board, and then you're actually given 2 robes to use during your stay. They got the Barcelo Hotels and Resorts logo. Lots of storage down on the ground if you wanted to leave any luggage here. And there's lots of hangers in here, as you can see too, just to hang up your clothing. Over on this side of the closet, we have some more hangers, additional storage up top, and then an in-room safe for all your belongings. And then there's also a laundry bag because there's laundry service here. I think that's an additional charge though. But there are some shelves here too to put your things. Swinging around over to the right side, we're gonna head into the washroom area. So just off to the right side in the washroom is the toilet. So there's no door here, just an FYI. So there's not really much privacy, but there is a door here on the actual washroom itself for privacy. Hello. As you come in, you can see there's lots of mirrors here just to kind of make things a little bit bigger. It's just a single sink here at this vanity. We got the toiletries over here. They provide you with different things, some face towels, hand soaps. And then over here, you can see there's just some additional kind of cups and things like that on the vanity as well. Off to the left side is the shower. So it's a big stand-up shower. There is a small little wall here too to make this an actual tub for bathing children. And then also you can see that they have some bath gel, conditioner, and shampoo offered in the shower here. It is like a rainfall shower as well, which is nice. And then they have a handheld to shower with as well. Lots of towels up top here. And if you wanted to have new towels, what they advise you to do is just leave the towels on the floor and they can exchange them for new ones. So coming out of the bathroom here, we have like a small area here where you can set your luggage or have a seat while you're getting ready. There's some nice Mayan pictures on the wall here, and we got some cool decor. Lots of nice colorful lamps and pictures, and the bed skirts are kind of brightening up the room here too. So this is a room with 2 double beds. So 2 years ago, these rooms here at the beach were remodeled, so they're a little bit more new than some of the other rooms at the complex here at the resort. So just off to the left side of the room, we have some additional storage for your belongings, and these drawers kind of pull out nicely, and you got lots of space for all your things. There's a small little book a little collection of books here that give you information about room service, and it gives you information about the Maya Grand Resort and U-Spa and so on and so forth, just to kind of acquaint yourself. These are pretty helpful, just to kind of let you know when things are open and what's offered at the resort. There's a big mirror in the room as well, just to make things look even bigger. And there was actually a mirror back here too, as we came into the room here, to check yourself out before you head out for the night. You have some control over the temperature in the room with this little thermostat here on the wall. And then just mentioning the beds here, as we said, they're 2 double beds, and they have a small little bedside table beside the beds with a small drawer for storage as well. There's a phone here to get you connected to who you need to talk to, front desk, guest services, housekeeping and things like that. And a small little pad of paper and a pencil to make any notes during your stay. There's some switches on the wall here that controls the lighting in the room, and there's also a USB charger here too to charge your devices right by the bedside table. And then this is like a controller here in this piece of paper, or this little pamphlet, that tells you all the different channels that you have access to on the television. I love the little lamp here too beside the bedside. It's got a nice Mexican kind of color pattern to it. So swinging around this way, we can see the television, a small little coffee area here, and an ice bucket. And they'll provide you with a coffee packet to make some coffee in your room here, which is nice. We haven't seen coffee makers in all the other kind of basic rooms in some of the other resorts we've seen, so that's a nice little touch for Barcelo. Underneath here, we have access to a mini bar. So inside the mini bar, we have some soft drinks, we have some water, some beer, and they have Corona beer. We've also seen Modelo, and then some snacks and juice boxes. And then over in the living area here, it is a little bit tight in this room, just kind of being transparent. The living area is very close to the beds here, but just wanted to kind of let you know that. But yeah, there's a big sofa here, 2 chairs over here with a lamp, and then outside, over on the balcony here, there's a door to access the outdoors. In the outdoor area here, there's 2 small chairs. They're actually quite nice furniture. They're like kind of like a wicker. They're actually pretty high quality, which is really nice. And I'm just gonna open the door here and take a peek outside. It's a beautifully warm day here in Mexico at Barcelo today. And this is the view from this superior room. I've got like a garden view that looks over a couple footpaths here, so you might get some traffic as you're kind of hanging out on the balcony here. But yeah, there's a drying rack for towels or swimsuits just over there. And this is what your balcony would look like if you were staying at this room. So yeah, it's a nice little quaint kind of entry-level room, but it definitely is clean. It's nice. It's got some nice amenities like the coffee maker and the mini bar, which is stocked kind of daily. So hopefully that kind of helps everybody kind of see the rooms and what they're like here at the Maya Beach. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out where we're going next.